What's the biggest compliance mistake business owners make? When it comes to finance, what is the biggest mistake they make?
The biggest mistake would be not talking to us.
Yes.
That is the biggest mistake that anyone makes. They'll go and make a decision because they think it's the best route for their business, but actually they haven't considered everything.
And this is where we can, again, compare ourselves back to, solicitors. People don't make, legal decisions without speaking to a solicitor.
Exactly.
They don't get a mortgage without speaking to a mortgage advisor. Mm-hmm. And yet the amount of people, I said the statistic was 60% of businesses in the UK don't use an accountant.
That doesn't surprise me when you talk to people on the street or, when you're down the pub and one of your friends finds out you're an accountant and you're finding out they've been doing their own stuff all along. You can have a 5-minute conversation with them and you can already save them £300, £400 in tax without really knowing the ins and outs of the business. So it doesn't surprise me to hear that people aren't using accountants properly. And
do you know what you saying that is a wave of fresh air from the way other people think, because if you'd asked 90% of accountants, they'd have said that the biggest mistake people make is X is Y is Z. But actually the biggest mistake is not communicating, not talking to your professional advisor, who you pay to give you advice.
I mean, people know their business the best, so I cannot sit here and tell them how to run their business. But what I can tell them is that your decision to go out and buy that car isn't the right time. It's just not. You haven't got the cash flow in place to do so. Or actually, do you know what? Not right now. There's going to be some changes in legislation. Wait a bit. Let's just see what's going to happen first. If they need the car, then that's a different matter. If they're trying to do it for certain purposes, check with me if that's going to work.